Guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to be looking at this very fun new company that is up and coming, that's taking the world by storm, and that is the brand called Temu. Temu? I don't know, everyone says a different name for this. So yeah, Temu, whatever you want to call it. We got a haul from them. Actually got two hauls, but we're combining them to one. We're going to start off with like, did I get some fails or did I get some holy grails? I got a vast array of different products that I was like, let's just go for it and see what we actually get. First up, this pineapple skull that looks way better in the picture, but horrible on camera and in person. It's a no from me for that one. So moving on from that, that was trash, don't go for that. I also picked up one of these Starbucks replica tumblers. This isn't bad, it could be a lot worse. It's supposed to glow in the dark, so it's got like a glowiness to it, but it feels so fake. I don't even know if I want to put water in this to drink out of, and it smells a bit weird too. So yeah, don't waste your money on the tumblers, because the real versus the fake, go for the real. The real, look at that, real deal. Yeah, I'd rather be poison-free, thanks. Very random things else I got that I picked up. This milk mini hand mixer frother in a Starbucks style green. It does the job. It does what it's meant to do. It's a frother. It's gonna do it. So yeah, that is that. It's plain and simple. The frother works. Although it does smell a little bit, but yeah, it works. It's gonna do the job. If you want to get a frother, trust it. It's a big old win. Now, this is what I was really excited for. This is a lint remover. And I thought, you know what? All of those shorts that I have that have the little bobble things on it and the Forever 21 sweaters that just get them by breathing these days, it doesn't work. And if you can see there, light goes on, which is right there, that little light, nothing. Doesn't do anything. It sounds like something's broken in there. And to be honest, the way they ship these things, it might as well be broken. So yeah, don't get that. Next up, we have this. Now, did I need this? No, but it was fun enough to try it. And I thought, well, maybe when I'm doing my streams, I can put my fries in here when I get a takeaway. Because I don't want them slamming on my nice little desk. So this is a compartment where you can put your dip in, whatever dip. I put gravy in it from KFC. And the rest puts chips in. Amazing, love it. It's plain and simple, works, no fuss. Love that. Next up, a classic vase. I thought this was going to look horrible. Like, I thought this was going to be so bad, but it's actually quite chic. It's quite nice, quite cute, very well polished. The only crappy bit is the inside. But other than that, you're just going to put flowers. You're just going to look in the inside. That looks really nice. You wanted a little difference for your setup, your room, and you wanted to add a little bit of chicness to it, go for that. That was quite fun. I enjoyed that, and it was quite cheap too. I think I got it for 99p. Next up, I have yet to use these. These are the shoe accessory heel pads. They feel like they are going to do justice. I think these heel pads, try them. These are only like 70p or something. They were crazy. They're really big too. So if you want some heel pads for your shoes, like your Vans, especially Vans, I think these are going to help my Vans so much, because the cushion on the back here, you're not going to feel them. You're not going to feel them. I think these are great if you want to break shoes in. Cost effective compared to high street drugstores or anything like that you want to pay £6 for. Grab those. It came in this box here, this little cardboard box. It's this. I've seen this everywhere. Basically what it does is it creates a sun effect. So behind me, do you see that? It will make a circle, so it looks like a sunset for photos. So if you want to look like you are out in the Serengeti or you were in the desert and you wanted that nice little sun golden hour feel, this, amazing, go get it. It's worked by USB, and it really adds a flair to the pictures. So if I ever needed a sunset in pictures, this has got me covered. 10 out of 10 for that just alone, to be honest. Next up, we have the ice hockey mold. If you can see that, it's basically to make a ball of ice. Now I done this last night and I filled it up. See how good it looks. Okay. Okay. It's definitely made ice. Oh, okay. Look at that. Perfect spherical of ice. Okay. I think maybe I put too much water in it, but still, it worked. Look at that. It's like the perfect ball shape, and it's hard too. That will last forever. If you want whiskey, you got it. Get this. This was only £1.20. That's the ice ball maker. Wow, look at that. I'm being amazed by all this shit. It's for your fridge. Do I need this? No. Do I want to try it? Yes. This basically sits on your little shelf and gives you more storage. So if you are, low on space in your fridge, and let's say you wanted to put your fresh strawberries in, right? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Fresh strawberries in your fridge. Boom. Oh my god. Perfect. Love that. Okay, last but not least, a glasses cleaning brush. Yes, I need this for my glasses when I'm at work. Super soft. Let's see if it works. Okay. No, it doesn't really work. Does it work? Not so much. Okay, maybe a fail on this one, guys. Okay, I have to finish the video off somehow with a bang, right? And this was the main thing that actually got me into, I want to say, Temu. I was like, okay, well, if they're offering £20 off, I can buy this finally. You guys ready? Are you ready for the finale? I don't think you're ready. I don't think you're ready. So,
I don't think they can handle this.
Yeah, okay, I think you're ready now, right? Boom. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? Bubbles? A bubble-zooka? Yeah, I did that. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, it says it's got 69 holes while it's missing about 3. So it's about 66 holes. But look at that. Great for photos. If you wanted to add them into videos or anything, this is great. This was £17. But with that £20 off, you kind of got it for free, to be honest. The box was so flimsy that it came in. No wonder it got smashed. No wonder. That's all I can say on that matter. So final thoughts on Temu. I think it's a good place to get things necessarily that you didn't think you probably needed. Like this sun lamp thing, this ice maker. There's a lot of different things. Obviously you're gonna find some duds. Like, for like the £5 I paid for this, it doesn't work, but I'm sure maybe if I found another one online, it would work. So I'd probably go to Amazon for stuff that didn't work, unfortunately. But there is like some good things here that I will use, like this for upcoming stuff. But overall, I want to give it like a 7 out of 10, like shop at your own risk, knowing that some things won't look exactly what they look like on the website. But overall, just expect that so that when it does come, you're not going to be shocked. But a lot of the things, there will be people that will have reviews up by now. I think it's got some good things, and if you can get the deals that they have on, like the £20 off, and you know you're going to use some of this stuff, I think go get it. That's it for my Temu haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was like insightful to your shopping habits and maybe make some informed decisions while you're on there as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye-bye. Oh, sorry, I think the video just ended that you were just watching, but don't worry. You can leave a comment down below, tell me what you thought about the video, what was your favorite part, or any suggestions you might have. But also, while you're at it, make sure to hit that like button so you can help grow the channel some more. Wait, you want more videos? Okay, well, you can subscribe right here and get any of those fun updates or any new notifications of giveaways, videos, or anything else straight to your inbox first. Or you can click right here to get one of my hand-picked videos just for you, and you can go binge it if you want. So thank you, and have an awesome day wherever you may be. Bye-bye.